1977 Chevrolet El Camino Classic here at Unique Specialty in Classics. 350 V8 power underneath the hood, 4-barrel carb, automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Great body style with the stacked headlights. Nicely equipped too, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at this chrome up front. Of course, the grille. Light buckskin, number 61 paint coat on this one. Take your time looking through the still pictures to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where all the pics are. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, front disc brakes. American Racing polished 5-spoke torque thrust wheels. Radial tires, and let's take a look down the passenger side. Southern car for the majority of its life, actually an Arlington, Texas built vehicle. Interior, kind of a cream, maybe light buckskin, but yeah, kind of a cream color. Dash and carpeting to match the exterior. There's also a bed mat, rubber bed mat in the back of it. Nice straight panels, as you can see. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A few of the recent things that have been done to this: does have a newer radiator in it. Newer dual exhaust, you'll be able to see that in the underside pictures. Also windshield. Rear air shocks. And I do want to point out there's a little kind of a placard board that will go along with this, owner's manual, and a full-size spare. I'll put that in the bed. Wanted to take it out for the pictures and video. And again, those pictures, they can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Maybe you can't make it yourself to take a look at this car. Not a problem. Take a look down the driver's side. I'd also like to mention, if you like El Caminos or maybe just 70s classics in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Never know what you may see come through here. Anything from turn of the century cars to late model high horsepower stuff. So go ahead and subscribe. Videos uploaded daily. These vehicles are available to purchase on our website and or of course our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. I think it's free of rips, tears, holes. There's an aftermarket stereo system that's put in this JVC Bluetooth system. Also a little different steering wheel. You can see new steering wheel. You'll also be able to see the picture of the carpeting underneath the floor mats in the still pictures. Carpeting's good. Go ahead and fire it up. Odometer reads 15,433. I can't confirm or deny miles on this just due to the age of the vehicle. Once it's so old, the miles do not stay with the title. It's marked exempt. And as you can hear, the radio is working. Some aftermarket speakers behind the seats. You'll see in the still pictures. Yeah, dash looks good. Lots of times they're cracked or checked in these vehicles. That vintage looks good up the headliner. Headliner looking good. Nice sounding car. Nothing over the top as far as exhaust goes, but we got a nice deep throaty exhaust note coming out of that true dual exhaust. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's release this hood. Check out the engine bay and stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Get a look at the underside of the hood and the hood liner. There it is. compressor hooked up with a belt and everything. Have not had that compressor kick on and off, FYI. But power steering, power brakes, factory AC car, 350 V8. There's a battery disconnect here too. In between drives, or maybe while it's in storage. Smooth running 350, no doubt about that. Looks like a pretty stock engine bay. 1977 Chevrolet El Camino Classic. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1977 Chevrolet El Camino, and as you can see, there's a few little tiny droplets coming out of the sky. That's not going to hurt us. That's just enough to show you that the wipers do work. Blower motor works on high, and the radio does work as well.
Only Chatham offers you a diamond.
This El Camino is nice power steering, corners nicely, doesn't lean too much in the corner here. Nice throaty exhaust sound, I'll show you right now. Smooth running car. Nice aftermarket steering wheel here. Got the finger grooves in the back. Aluminum and simulated wood. Comfortable bench seat in this El Camino. Very smooth ride on the highway. Power brakes are working well. This car, well maintained or well restored. It feels nice and tight. That nice soft ride from 1977, but firm enough to feel a little bit sporty on the highway. El Caminos were always kind of like that. Check out all the pictures and look at all the details of this El Camino at uniqueclassiccars.com.